Good morning, everyone. My name is Corey. I am with Knights of the Trail, and today I am going to be cooking up some breakfast as part of a outdoor channel cooking collab orchestrated by Tony from Our World Outdoors. It's part of a group coming together, part of this outdoor cooking extravaganza. So you'll definitely want to check out the other channels that are also cooking up some really good breakfasts. So definitely check out Tony from Our World Outdoors. You'll want to check out Jason from Jason Outdoors, Brandy from TimeOut to the Trail, Kevin from Southwest Ohio Adventures.
Check out Justin from It's Good in the Woods,
and Hawkeye from Hawkeye Hikes. This collab, they told us to just go all out, use spices, use the cast iron skillets, and just go balls to the wall on our cooking. Today I'm going to do a little something different, but still keeping with that. My dish is going to be the Spud Plug. Basically all that is a potato that you hollow out and you stuff it with all kinds of good stuff. I'll show you how to make it, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, so I'm going to have to be narrating over top of this video from this point forward because a lot of outside noises with neighbors' dogs and kids, an emergency of some sort was going on. But as you can see here, I'm lighting a fire over my fire pit. I could cook this potato using my grill, but I wanted to simulate an open campfire. Here, I've got some jumbo-sized baked potatoes, and I've got a potato pillar. And it's easier than you might think. All you have to do is stab a hole through the potato and just start doing a circular motion inside the potato, and it just starts carving everything out. It's way more simple than you would think. You'll want to use jumbo-sized potatoes for this because you're going to be filling it with a lot of stuff. Look at this potato. It's the size of my head almost. Alright, we're going to go quick time and get through all these potatoes. I'm cooking up 4 of them. Right here I'm chopping up some onions and red bell peppers. For this I'm going to use a funnel. You do not need to use a funnel, but I figured it would cause a less of a mess since I'm doing it myself. Crack you an egg and drop it on down in there. After doing this dough, I now realize that I should have used half an egg per potato because the egg mixture really did fill up the potato pretty quickly. And just go ahead and put in all of your vegetables, and if you have any kind of meat you want to throw in there, you can do that as well. One other thing I would have done is I would have put in cheese first and then cheese to cap it off. Alright, we're going to quick time these other potatoes here. You could just have potatoes, eggs, and cheese. You could do that too if you don't want any of the extra vegetables and sort of thing like that. Just wrap them up in some aluminum foil like you would any other regular baked potato. You know, watch yourself as you light the fire and just throw them on your fire after the fire has died down and what you're left with is hot coals and ash. And here I am going to be cooking up some kielbasa sausage and some Bush's baked beans. You can see all the onions and peppers and egg in there. It cooked really well. Wow, this is really good. This is really good. You've got a complete meal right inside of a potato, and the potato really adds a lot to it. If you're worried about what do you do with the tops of the potato that you cut off and the potato that you scooped out, you can actually save that and fry it up as hash browns. So that's another thing you can do it, so none of it goes to waste. You eat it all. I didn't put any seasonings in this, but you can put some garlic in there. You can put some maybe some cayenne if you want to spice it up a little bit. And something else that would be really good with this is some salsa or some hot sauce, because it does kind of taste like a breakfast skillet, but it's all contained within the potato. I also made up some sausage over the open fire there. Pretty good. And some beans. There you have it, Knights. The Spud Plug. A potato with a meal inside. I want to thank you all again for tuning in and being a part of this collab. Make sure you check out all the other channels as they cook up some of their most finest dishes. And here they are again. Check out Tony from Our World Outdoors. Check out Jason from Jason Outdoors. Check out Brandy from TimeOut to the Trail. Check out Kevin from Southwest Ohio Adventures. And check out Hawkeye from Hawkeye Hikes. Alright, so there you have it. You all know what to do. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and ring that little bell down below to make sure that you are up to date on all of our videos. This isn't the only cooking thing we're going to be doing. We've got a playlist dedicated just for cooking for backpackers. It's called Nightly Meals. Make sure you subscribe to that, and we'll have some more dishes ready for you if you need any ideas or any help on what to cook while you're out backpacking or hiking or even car camping. Alright, Knights. Make sure you stay strong and hike on. We'll see you out on the trail.